Hello there. I am Berna Marie. I am 24 years old and currently living in President Quirino, Philippines. I am a native English speaker, and in this platform, I will be an English tutor. I love reading different genres of literature, talking to people with different backgrounds, and just putting myself out there so I can understand how the world works. I understand how learning a new language outside your own can be a dreading experience, but worry not because I am here to help you learn the English language one lesson at a time at your own pace. In this classroom, we will work on pronunciation, everyday grammar, reading, writing, conversational skills, and many more. We can look into your interests and hobbies and find common ground in which we are going to center our lessons so that you can relate to our lessons on a personal level and be interactive as we go on with our lessons. I am very interested in helping you build confidence in using the English language as an everyday conversational language so you can be ready to test out your skills whether talking to your friends, teachers, family members, or even tourists and locals in your area. We will work on how to converse English in a polite and efficient manner in different settings such as school, business, or even formal settings. I am excited to be part of your English language learning journey, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!